Yes, in this section of force, again the explanation is given of change in direction of a moving body. Sometimes in the game of cricket or in the game of tennis, like they have given, sometimes the ball is returned to the other side of the court by pushing or smashing it. So the direction of the ball is changing by applying a force on the ball with the bat. Is there any change in the direction of the motion of the ball in these cases? Yes, there is a change in direction. In all the examples of the speed and the direction of the moving ball, change due to application of a force takes place. That means a change takes place in either the speed of the object or its direction of motion, or both. Either there is a change in speed or there is change in direction. A force may bring a change in the state of motion of an object. So force can, as you read those 5 points, out of that there is explanation of the changes explained here. So the state of motion. The state of motion of an object is described by its speed and the direction of motion. What do you mean by state of motion? It is given here. The state of rest is considered to be the state of zero speed. When a body is at rest, then it has no speed. Does it mean that the application of a force will always result in the change in the state of motion? That means, will it always be there that if you are applying force and there is a change in the motion? Maybe it is not every time. It is a common experience that many a time application of a force does not result in the change in the state of motion. For example, if you are applying force and the body does not move, like you are applying force on a very heavy truck, the truck does not move. So in this case, the application of force does not make the body move. So we will say the effect of force is observed only when you try to push the object and the body moves, and sometimes the body does not move. So example could be pushing a heavy truck or even pushing a wall. So when you push a wall, it does not move. So these are examples in the changes of body when the force is applied.